Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up upsells on your Shopify store so you can boost your average order value and increase sales. First, you can offer upsells by adding related products directly to your product pages. In your Shopify admin, go to a product, scroll down to the search engine listing preview section, and add links to complementary products in the description, or set up related products using your theme settings. For more advanced upsells, install an upsell app from Shopify App Store like Bold Upsell or Reconvert. These apps let you show pop-ups or special offers right after a customer adds something to their cart or during checkout, encouraging them to add more items before they complete their purchase. You can also create post-purchase upsells where customers see a special offer right after they buy. This is a great way to recommend accessories, extended warranties, or bundle deals while they're still in a buying mindset. Once your upsell offers are set up, test different products, discounts, and designs to see what works best for your customers and helps you maximize revenue. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Shopify tips to grow your business.